Let's talk about salmon skin. Crispy, golden, salty, the bacon of the ocean. If you're not eating it, you're doing salmon wrong. Today we're making Levantine spiced salmon, and yes, we're keeping that glorious skin. We're nesting it in a ginger-spiced tomato compote that steams the flesh to buttery perfection while the skin stays shatteringly crisp. Then we hit it with vibrant green zhug and cool, creamy tahini. One pan, 45 minutes, and a dish so good you'll wonder why you ever peeled the skin off. This isn't just salmon. It's a love letter to the Levant, where spice traders from India met Persian cooks and Yemeni immigrants brought their fiery sauces. No passport required. Start with shallots, garlic, fresh ginger. Sauté until soft. Add cardamom. Once worth more than gold on the Silk Road. A little gives that warm, exotic aroma. Cherry tomatoes go in, halved. Smash them with your spoon. This releases glutamates, the umami compounds that make everything taste richer. Now the salmon. Pat it dry, I mean it. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. If the skin is wet, it'll steam instead of sizzle. And we want sizzle. Season both sides, cover the skillet. Here's the science. Gentle heat from below steams the flesh. The skin, hovering above, gets kissed by trapped heat and steam, not direct contact. So it stays crispy. No rubbery skin here. We're not animals. While it cooks, make zhug. This spicy cilantro sauce came from Yemen, traveled with immigrants across the region. Cilantro, jalapeno, ginger, olive oil, lemon, blitz until vibrant green. Tahini is the yin. Whisk with cold water, garlic, salt. Watch it seize, then relax into a silky drizzle. Sesame cultivation goes back 4,000 years. Lucky us. Check your salmon. 5 to 8 minutes. Opaque, flaky, skin still glistening and crisp. Don't overcook. Dry salmon is a tragedy. Soggy skin is a crime. Plate it. Tomato compote underneath. Salmon on top, skin up. Show it off. Drizzle zhug like you're painting. Finish with tahini. Take a bite. The salmon melts. The sauce is sweet, tangy, deeply savory. Zhug brings bright heat. Tahini wraps it all in creamy, nutty warmth. And that skin, it shatters like the best potato chip you've ever had. The bacon of the ocean, indeed. This is the kind of meal that makes you look like a genius. But between us, it's just technique, good ingredients, and a little love for the crispy bits. From Food Illustrated. As always, enjoy the process of illustration on your plate.